Well, good morning, everybody. Let's talk about the OLIGHT Baton 4 Pro. Okay, I got this thing the other day. The company had reached out and wanted to know whether I wanted to test it, and I said sure. We got a lot of crows and a lot of birds out here today. Nice spring morning here, brisk and everything. But beautiful package, excellent, excellent. So cool. All right, so let's take it out of this package here. All right, look at that over the side here. And before you do anything else, you get this little thing here. It says read me. And before first use, unscrew the body and remove the insulating film. Replacing the battery, ensure that the positive end faces the flashlight head. And there, it gives you a demonstration of the insulating film. And will it charge the flashlight before your first use? The USB. Yeah, let me show you the little light here. This is the back side of it here. You got the little USB thing there, hidden underneath there. Isn't it cool? Of course, you got your little magnetic charger. And let me tell you, this clip is awesome. It's absolutely amazing. And along with that, you get this little base. Yeah, it's got this two-sided tape on it. Put it on there, and you're. There you go. All right. Now, let me show you the instruction set. Extremely complete. It's fantastic. It's in multiple languages, and it explains the various settings: turbo, high, medium, low, moonlight, and the clickings, how many clicks it takes to do that. But it's so instinctive that once you start using it in just a short amount of time, you'll understand it. And it tells you all that: on, off, moonlight, turbo, strobe, change brightness, lockout, unlock, high, off, turbo. And like I said, it's got this little side switch right here. Okay. You see the little green status bar there. Of course, here in a little while it's going to be dark, and we'll be able to test all that up. Here's your turbo. It's even turbo in the daylight. It's so bright. This is a powerful light. And I'll tell you what, for my generation, I'll be 66 years old here in a few months. You know, a flashlight to us, when you said the word baton, I mean, it was like that long, you know, 2 feet long, and had those, what, C batteries in it. Or you had one of those kind of lights that had a big square battery and a big light sticking out and everything. This, to be this small and be this powerful, is awesome. And having said that, every light that I've gotten from OLIGHT has performed extremely well. And tell you one thing, wives, mothers, daughters, everybody loves these lights. As soon as they see it, can I have it? Yeah, please, let me have it. My wife uses it all the time, and like I said, we've gotten a number and everything. So here in a little bit, it's going to be dark, and we're going to run this thing through its paces, and I think you are absolutely going to love this. So with Mother's Day coming up, yeah, Father's Day not too far beyond that, so this is a great light. And inside the description, you'll get various link information. Just follow it along. It's custom-made link and stuff. All right, let's wait a little bit, and darkness will be back. Check this out. Let's say you want to do a little bit of hands-free work and stuff. You had something metal nearby you. I mean, this is on the round edge of a grill. Look at that. I mean, it's seriously sloped. Bing. All right, let's walk over here to like a scaffolding that you'd see in a work area or something like that. See that? Amazing, huh? All right, we're showing it in its little charging mode. There's a little cube. Here you go. I'm gonna let this charge up until the darkness comes. All right, we're gonna run through the cycles of this Baton 4 Pro. All right. it's got a powerful beam, definitely. Yep. Definitely. Alright, let's just see that dark corner over here. We'll see just what it does. Oh yeah. Alright, let's do that turbo with the back button there. Oh yeah. Go ahead and point it in the back there in the corners and see what. This is a pretty powerful light. For no bigger than it is, this is absolutely awesome. We're all the way in the top of the tree up there. And this is a big tree here. I like this. This is really impressive. OLIGHT, this is a good light. Alright, let's check that corner with that brightness beam over there again. Alright, everybody. I think we've given it a pretty good test and everything. So, alright, this is the strobing. Tell you what, if you were lost, they'd definitely find you with this blinking. Oh yeah. Nice piece of kit here. This would definitely do a really excellent job for no more than the weight it has and stuff. Alright. You can see that light right behind all the workshops and stuff, and it is dark back in there. It is really dark. It's a powerful light here. I'd say this is a really excellent test, definitely. Oh yeah, definitely a powerful light.